Guys, welcome back to Roshnana's World. So, guys, a latest update from Tech Mahindra that they have started sending the virtual joining schedule, basically email. A lot of people were waiting that when will I get offer letter from Tech Mahindra Elevate internship, which later on converted to the regular employment, which they have shared the email to people, and now they are sending the email for the joining date with the joining date, and offer letter would be sent by them on Monday. So let's discuss in details. So this is a virtual joining schedule basically. So the virtual joining onboarding is scheduled on 24th of August, which is on Tuesday. Fine. So the release of offer letter is in process, and you will get it by Monday EOD. So on Monday, which is 23rd, by the end of the day, you will expect the offer letters, and on 24th of August, you will have your virtual joining. I mean the pre-onboarding. Fine. Onboarding, sorry. And yes, the mandatory documents you have to be ready with before the date of joining. So these are the list of documents which they will be required, and you have to like fill in, sign in all the mandatory details and everything, and you have to attach it on their portal. So this you have it is mentioned clearly that kindly prepare all the documents as listed below and submit or upload on onboarding theme or on portal once informed. So you will get the portal link as well. So there you can upload it. So now let's discuss documents which will be required. So an offer letter that will you will get, you have to sign all the pages and you have to upload it. Then bond, which is a 2 years bond, as you all know this, bond signed and notarized by the notary public. You have to get it signed through the notarized, and you have to upload it. Then PAN card, Aadhaar card, and all a photograph with white background, and education documents, 10th, 12th, and graduation. All semester, each one copy. Fine. And Form 11, which is I think this Provident Fund PS form. So this form you have to fill in and upload it. So then after this, or the offer letter is being released in the presumption that you meet the below criteria. So of getting an offer letter does not mean that you won't be rejected. If you don't meet these criteria, then they do have the right to cancel your candidature as well. So these are the this eligibility criteria. I hope this meets, because then only you would have applied earlier. So yes, this is the eligibility criteria. You can go through once. And what all documents are required? I mean, they have sent is the joining report. There are three PDFs in the mail, guys. One is the joining report. Second is the sampled fill, how to fill in. They have filled I mean, you can see here they have filled it. They have shown it how to fill it, and then this is the blank one where you need to fill in accordingly and take a printout and then upload it. And this is the sample how to upload, and this is also the form of EPFO, Employee Provident Fund. This is the how to fill in. It is mentioned in the sample one. I hope this is clear. And for the bond, guys, I think that will be you will receive it through the offer letter itself. So wait for it. I think the bond document is not there, so you will get, I most probably you will get it through with the offer letter on Monday, which is 23rd EOD. Wait till end of the day. So yes, this was all updates. Just in case you have any doubt or query, do let me know in the comment section. Also, guys, you can message me on Instagram. I am very much available there. You can ask your doubts or queries. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. I am sure that these videos are really helpful for you people. And do not forget to share with your friends. Till then, guys, bye. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye.